Okay, to get some practice writing the orbifold signature, we're going to play a little game where you use two sets of cards. So you're going to need handout 1 and handout 2, which have all of the different possible ways that a pattern can repeat each with their orbifold signature. One set, handout 1, is labeled with the orbifold signature already. In this game, you're going to try to find the orbifold signatures of the other cards and match them up. And the first thing you need to do is cut out all of the cards so you can do it.
Ideally, these would be on cardstock.
Okay, so we have our cutout cards. We've got 17 red ones and 17 blue ones. And the object here is to find the red card that goes with each blue card or vice versa. There are a lot of different ways that you can proceed here. One suggestion is to try to find the ones that have reflections in them and sort them out.
And you kind of get an idea of when you're sorting them, when you're looking at them, that some of them have mirrors that go in 3 different directions, some of them have mirrors that go in 2 different directions, and that kind of gives you a clue as to where you might start. And then you can find ones that don't have any mirrors or ones that have glide reflections and look at those. And the idea is that we have 17 cards here, 17 cards there, and we should be able to match them up exactly.
All right, so we'll give you one more idea about how you might go about sorting these. What we did is we looked at all of the red ones that had a 4 in them. Since anyone with a 4 means that there's got to be order 4 rotation, and we thought that that might be something we could identify in some of the other ones. So we went through the blue ones and tried to find ones that had order 4 rotation. And at this point, what we want to now probably look at is some of these have a star and some of them don't. So the ones that have stars, of course, that means there have to be mirror reflections. So this one says star 442. So we're looking for mirror reflections with 3 different rotational centers. And this one has 4 star 2, so there's going to be 2 different types of rotational centers and mirror reflections. And this one's not going to have any mirror reflections at all. So probably the easiest thing is to find the one that doesn't have any mirror reflections at all.
Well, that would be this one.
So those must be the 2 that go together.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, this one says star 442. So that means that every center of rotation is going to be on one of those mirror lines.
So I see a rotation here, I see a rotation here, and I see a rotation here.
And it looks like all those are on the mirror line, so maybe these 2 go together.
And let's double check this one. And it has a rotation in the center that's not on a mirror line, and I see one of those right here. These rotations are on mirror lines, and this one isn't. So there's a 4-way that is not on a mirror line, and there are an identical bunch of 2s that are on mirror lines.
Okay, so good luck playing the card matching game, and the next video is going to be on making physical orbifolds.